In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to prevent Photos app from opening when connecting your phone to Windows 11. So let's get started. If you want to do the way then how you can prevent such thing, then let's go quick into it. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and you will find the option that is autoplay. Click on that. If this is turned on, you simply switch the button off. You also have here for removable drive. Click on the drop down and you can also choose take new action. Also for the memory card, you simply click on the drop down and choose take new action. So this is how you can easily do it, but if you want to revert the process, just simply switch the button on for use autoplay for all media and devices. So anyway, this is the video on how to prevent Photos app from opening when connecting your phone to Windows 11, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.